Hi, welcome back. This is Sanjay Kumar Verma from Unikaksha. So my dear friends, once again we are going to discuss about of the AWS, right? So in this session we will see how to copy the EBS volume from one region to another region. Because EBS is a elastic block storage. So using of the SAN network you can access the EBS volume and you can attach, and simultaneously you can't attach the EBS volume with multiple instances, right? So obviously now I will show you how to copy the EBS volume one region to another region. Generally we will do in the production environment when we want to transfer our data from one region to another region at a enterprise level. So let's get started. I will show you. I am going to jump on my AWS dashboard. So now you can see this is my Amazon dashboard. Currently I am working inside the Mumbai region, right? And now you can see one instance is running, right? And I have two volume, right? Let me show you. Okay. So friends, when I'm going to select of this server, so you can get the detail. If I will show you the storage, so I have two volume. One is root device where my operating system is there. Another is data disk, or you can say additional volume. So in this volume I will store some file and folder. Then I will copy this file and folder in different region, and again I am able to access the same data in a different region. So now this instance is reachable. You can see if I hit the lsblk command, so list the block devices, correct? So this is my OS disk, that is 10 GB. This is my another disk which is mounted with Sanjay directory, right? So let me go inside the Sanjay folder, right? Do the ll. There is no. So I'm creating some files like touch sanjay.txt. Using the curly braces, I'm creating 10 files, right? Do the ll. Yeah, let me copy some file etc passwd in the current directory. Again I'm going to copy another file like etc shadow, right? So you can see shadow is available, passwd is available, correct? So my dear friend, I want to copy this data, might be in a different region, Singapore region. So let me open a duplicate window for this. Yeah, and I'm going to jump inside the Singapore because Singapore is nearby us. So now we will not get any kind of latency. And you can see there is no instance, and if I will show you any kind of volume, right? There is no volume, right? There is no snapshot. So now how to do this? So my dear friend, we have already discussed about of the AWS snapshot service. So first of all, what I am going to do, I will create a snapshot. Ethically, you can't copy the EBS volume directly. So first of all, you have to create a snapshot of your data disk. So using of the snapshot, you can take the backup of your disk, right? It can be OS disk, it can be data disk. It's your choice, right? So let me click on create a snapshot. Okay. So in this case, I want to take the backup of my volume, or if you want to take the backup of your instances, you can take it. But our case, we are going to take the backup of volume, right? So now what to do? You have to select the volume. Might be you have multiple volume. So in our case, we have two volume. This is my OS and this is my data volume. Selected. Description. Define anything. This is my data vol, right? Do you want to encryption? No. Make it default. Create a snapshot. So guys, now you can see the status. It's a pending. So please wait. This is the description. and it's creating the backup of my entire volume. The size of disk 5 GB. That means I will show you CD Sanjay. It's creating the backup of these, right? Now I will show you df-ht including df-ht including the file system, because the size of this volume is 5 GB, right? So please wait. Let me do the refresh. Yeah, backup is completed because these are simple file or text file, correct? So what to do, my dear friend? I will copy this snapshot in different region, right? So select this, and friend, right now I am working in a same account. You can also do this activity in a different account, alright? So click on action, and what to do? You have to choose the copy snapshot. Okay, destination, in which region you are trying to move this one, right? So now you can see this is the AP South one, right? And you can verify the code. These are the code of the region. What is the code of the Singapore? AP Southeast one, right? Like this. AP Southeast. Just a second. AP Southeast one. Okay. AP Southeast one. This one. Right? And copy snapshot. Please wait. Right? And now jump on different region. Do the refresh. Now you can see your snapshot is going to copy. So it will take some time. So please have a patience. Do the refresh. When your snapshot will be copied in a different region. So friends, my snapshot is available in the Singapore region. Yeah, same snapshot is available in Mumbai region. Okay, so now point is that how would I retain the data? Okay, so first of all, let me spin up a virtual machine. Currently, you can see I don't have any virtual machine in the Singapore region. So what to do? Click here, launch instance. Right now I'm getting the Amazon Linux, T2 Micro. Choose the availability zone. Okay. Now security group. I have security group like Sanjay Security. Right. Click on launch. Let me create a new key pair. Give it a name. Singapore key pair. Download this key pair. Okay, launch instance. View. Give it a name like this is server 1. This is the bug with new UI. Okay, and now friends, this machine is under process. Okay, so what to do? On this machine you have only single volume, that is the EBS volume. Okay, so it's going to initialize. So meanwhile, my dear friend, what to do? We have to jump on our snapshot. This is our snapshot. Okay, so select off your snapshot. I am working this activity in the Singapore region, not in Mumbai or different machine. So jump on action and you have to click on create volume from this snapshot. My dear friend, make sure your volume should be available in the same availability zone where your EC2 instance is running. Let me check now one more time. This EC2 instance is running in AP South 1A, and unfortunately you are creating your volume in a different availability zone. That means you can't attach, right? Create volume, right? And this is the same availability zone, size is 5 GB. Okay, very good. Create volume. Yes, we have to check in the volume section. Yeah, this one. I'm giving the name snap vol, right? And friends, let me access of this virtual machine. First of all, where is the key? Key is available in the download folder. Copy, paste into desktop, open Edit Bash, and because this is world readable, we have to change the permissions. chmod 00, key name is Singapore, right? And now we have to click on connect, and because right now I am accessing of this virtual machine using of the SSH client. Perfect. Yes. Okay, let me do the login. LSBLK, list of the block devices, right? I have a single device, this is NVMe, right? But I want to access of my another disk. So what to do? Click on volume, action, and you have to click on attach. Now find your instance ID where you are going to attach, and then click on attach volume. Very good. So again you have to hit the LSBLK. Now you can see 5 GB is available. So what to do? We have to create a mount point, mkdir, like give it a name Unikaksha, right? So when you are creating a volume using of the snapshot, you no need to assign the file system because file system is already copied, right? So it's creating a replica of your earlier volume, right? Mount /dev what is the name of the volume? NVMe 1 and 1 inside the Unikaksha. Okay, let me go inside the Unikaksha. Correct. Do that. Your same data is available in a different region and different machine, right? So guys, like this you can copy of your EBS volume one region to another region. And one more thing, in any case you want to delete this volume, so what to do? First of all, you have to do the umount, right? Umount, which folder? This one, correct? And then you have to select of your volume and you have to click on detach, right? When you have completed this, then again you have to select this volume and click here, and please wait, do the refresh right now, and then now you can delete the volume. when volume is available in your account and you are not going to delete, that means AWS will make it charge. And as well, remove of your snapshot when you have done the practice, right? Delete a snapshot. After some time, it will be automatically disappear from your destination region. So this is the idea behind of this. So thank you so much.